So I'm about to use a Cowash as a deep conditioner. You want to see which one I'm using? Just keep watching.
What does perfect even mean? Is there even such a thing? Ooh, can we switch up all the rules and imagine a utopia?
So what's up, you guys? What's up, girlfriends? What it do? What it do? What it do? Today, I'm going to be trying a co-wash as a deep conditioner. Now, this particular co-wash claims that you can detangle, you can cleanse, and you can condition all in one jar. Now, I've had this product on my shelf. You know, we are on project use your stash, project hashtag use your stash. And so I was going through my stash of things that I really wanted to use up really quickly. If you remember from that that video that I put up before, I'll leave it up here in the cards for you to go check out. The products that must go out of my stash, I've got to get rid of them. I went into that little section in my little bookshelf thingy and pulled this out because it's just about done. I'm trying to figure out ways on how to use all of these different products to use them up so that we can open up more products, because we don't need all these different open products in the stash, right? So without further ado, the co-wash we're going to be using as a deep conditioner today is none other than One Love by The Do. Before we get started though, I highly encourage you to go ahead and hit the subscribe button down below. Also the bell notification so that you'll be notified every time I upload a video. I upload currently on Wednesdays and Sundays. Like I said, I do natural hair product reviews. I'm learning to care for my high porosity color treated natural hair. And I've also started a garden recently, and I'm sharing my adventures in on my gardening journey. So if you're interested in any of that, go ahead and hit the subscribe button down below so you'll know every time I upload a video. All right, let's get started with this one. All right, y'all, so like I said, I'm using the One Love Co-Wash by The Do as a deep conditioner today. It says right here on the front, detangle, cleanse, condition in one step. So I went ahead and I did use this as a pre-poo because, like I said, I'm trying to use up my stash, and this is one of the products that I just really need to get rid of because there's not really much in here. Let me show y'all. Okay, you can see it's like, you can see the white of the bottom kind of. So I'm just about there. I think if I don't use this up in this section, I will definitely use it up in the next pre-poo session, as I'm gonna try to go ahead and use this up. But yeah, let's get started with this deep conditioning today with this product. As long as I've had this product, I never really realized that I could use it as a deep conditioner. I've always just used it as a co-wash. And like I said, just today, well, yesterday I used it as a pre-poo, and now I'm gonna use it as a DC. So let me section off my hair and let's get to applying. All right, y'all, so we are ready to rock and roll. I'm just gonna go ahead and jump right in and start applying this product. Let's not waste too much time and let's not chatter too much before we get started. So, all right, so I'm gonna be taking out that much for this back section, and that's probably too much. It was. That's okay, we'll keep going. Y'all see this instant definition? Like, that was too much, but the product is on there, so you can see instant moisture. So I love this product as a co-wash. Let's see how much I like it as a deep conditioner. Y'all, I'm super excited about this. If you have used the One Love Co-Wash, or even if you haven't used it before, this stuff has a lot of slip, like a lot of slip. I just want to read the directions real quick before I continue on. So this, I'm just going to read the back of this here so y'all know. So One Love Co-Wash, what it do? It detangles, cleanses, and conditions in one step, calms frizz, eliminates wash day tangling, rinses out soft and shiny with no waxy buildup. What's good with it? Jojoba oil, grapeseed oil, anti-breakage peptide technology for ultimate length retention. And do you apply a liberal amount to wet hair, massage from the scalp to ends, rinse thoroughly. Tip can also be applied to dry hair as a pre-poo to aid in detangling. For more intense conditioning treatment, process 15 minutes under a plastic cap or steamer. So you see clearly right on the jar it says that you can do all three things. Reading is definitely fundamental because like I said, I just have always been using this as a co-wash. So yeah, it's nice to know that your products can be used for different parts of your wash day. You know what I'm saying? So that's already a winner in and of itself because it can do that. But anyway, I'm going to continue applying this to my hair. Y'all see the suds, it's sudsing up because it technically is a cleanser, but it's a conditioner too. So I have like some foaming up going on, but my hair is definitely slippery. Like this stuff is super slippery. Detangles like a dream. So yeah, I'm just getting a double dose today. But anyway, let's go ahead and finish the rest of my hair. All right, y'all, I am all done applying the One Love to my hair. And all I hear is suds popping in my ear. But my hair feels great right now, okay? It feels really good. It feels really soft, like hella moisturized. I really like this stuff, and I forgot how much I liked it because I haven't used it in a while. It's just been on the shelf. But let me show y'all how much I used because I do still have some left. So I don't even know. I think that might be actually, well, maybe one pre-poo. But I kind of think it's like maybe two pre-poos, especially now that I am wetting my hair when I pre-poo. So it allows me to use less product and helps the product to smooth over the hair much easier. So this might actually be just two more pre-poos or another pre-poo and another deep conditioning session as far as how much I have left. So I'm gonna go now and sit under my pink electric heat cap for about 15 to 20 minutes and let this soak in already. Although it's already soaking in, when I first twisted it, you can see the suds, right? But you can't see suds anymore because it is absorbing into my hair. But yeah, y'all, I'm gonna go and sit up under the heat cap about 20 minutes, and then I'll come back with it rinsed out and show y'all the results and give y'all my final thoughts. I'll be back. All right, you guys, I am back and I'm all rinsed out. And my hair feels so amazing, y'all. It feels really good. Now, I left the conditioner in for a little bit longer than I probably should have. It's been a few hours, you know, I've been doing stuff around the house, in the garden, cooking for the fam and stuff like that. So it's been in my hair for a few hours, but my hair feels really good, y'all. It's so soft right now. And yeah, it feels very moisturized. It feels really good. Okay, I do want to show y'all the ingredients real quick because this product does have silicones in it for those that are like ingredient conscious. So let me show y'all the ingredients. Remember, pause the screen so you can read them all. Why is this not focusing? Focus, please. There we go. So yeah, but I would say for my high porosity hair, the silicones kind of help me out because they definitely help to kind of lock the moisture in my hair. I know some low porosity girls or just girls that are, or let me not say girls. Okay, I digress. People that, or curl friends that, you know, are ingredient conscious sometimes don't like silicones in their products. So if you are one of those people, you may want to kind of stay away from this as a deep conditioner. As a pre-poo, I wouldn't, unless you're clarifying, you know, like I wouldn't say that it's a bad choice. But if you just, you know, don't like silicones, just stay away from it because it definitely has silicones in it. But overall, I definitely love this product. I love the fact that it's a multi-use product. You know what I'm saying? Like you can pre-poo with it, you can co-wash with it, and you can deep condition with it. So this is a winner in my book. The One Love Co-Wash. I would definitely repurchase this just on the strength that it is a multi-use product, you know, and it's a good product. I like it. It smells great. It smells like, do y'all remember Big Blow candy from back in the day? I'll see if I can find a picture and insert it in here for y'all. But back in New York, back home when I was growing up, they had these candies in like the bodegas. And they were like 5-10 cents or whatever growing up. We used to buy them all the time. But anyway, that is what this smells like to me. It's just so nostalgic. It's just so nostalgic for me. And the smell doesn't linger in your hair. It does rinse out for those that don't like smells to stay in their hair. But yeah, y'all, did you know that this could be used as a deep conditioner and that it was so good? Like, who knew? This is, it's really moisturizing and my hair feels super soft. Super soft. So let me know if you tried this in the comments down below. Have you tried One Love? How have you tried One Love? Have you tried it as a co-wash, a pre-poo, or a deep conditioner? Let's chat about it in the comments down below. All right, y'all. So I will see y'all in my next video. That's all I have for you in this one. I hope you all enjoyed. Remember, if you haven't subscribed, go ahead and hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you'll be notified the next time I upload a video. My next video should be my styling video because now I'm all done with wash day. So you don't want to miss that. So make sure you definitely hit the notification bell so you will be notified the next time I upload. And I will see y'all in the next one. Remember, keep it curly. Bye.